everybody, Asong Filipina here. Welcome back. And today's video, I'm just gonna show you what I shop from Shein today. So this is just the hello everybody, Asong Filipina here. And today, I'm just gonna show you. This is my nail polish today. So it's with white stripe. So I don't know what color is this. This is kind of gray, and then I put white. So for now, I'm just gonna show you. So I also have my mule sandal here. It's from Sofab. So this is not a sponsored video, but then I'm just gonna show you what I shopped today. So this is just so quick unboxing video. So okay, I have this one. It's a jumpsuit. I'm gonna try on. Later. Now I'm gonna try on, not later but today. Well, this is just very simple for going out, and this is only $20 at Shein. So next, is this one. We're going to try this one. This one is for my nails for sure. So I buy this one, a stick and a kind of a strip tape for nails, for designing the nails. So next is, we're gonna try on later. I'm gonna open this first. I think this is dress. Yeah, it's a dress that I'm planning to wear for the Christmas party, and it arrived late. So I have this dress. It's quite not too big, just normal size. So it's brown and with belt. So okay, I'm gonna try on the dress. Hi, so this is the dress, the second dress, and then I'm just gonna pair it with, so I'm gonna look for match, maybe brown, brown heels. So next is the other dress. It's just a very simple dress. And I'm gonna pair it with a brown sandal, brown wedges. So So that's all for now, everyone, and see you again next video.